Have you ever felt so cold that your eyelashes froze or your breath turned to ice midair? Snowflake, well, imagine living in a place where that happens every single day for months. In today's video, we're taking you on a chilling journey across the globe to the 10 coldest places on Earth that redefine what freezing really means. From the icy heart of Antarctica, where temperatures drop lower than any deep freezer, to remote Siberian villages where people live in conditions colder than Mars, these places are no joke. You'll meet the coldest inhabited towns, uncover extreme scientific outposts, and discover frozen lands so hostile, even metal snaps like twigs. Whether you're just curious or planning your next very cold adventure, we won't judge. This countdown will both fascinate and frostbite your imagination. So grab a hot drink, wrap up in something warm, and hit that like button, because what you're about to see will literally give you chills. Let's dive into the coldest corners of our planet, starting with a place so frigid, your phone would die in seconds. Number 10. Ulaanbaatar, Mongolia. Nestled in the heart of Asia, Ulaanbaatar is the coldest capital city in the world. Located at an elevation of about 4,300 feet, 1,310 meters, and surrounded by mountains, this bustling city experiences winters that are long, harsh, and bitterly cold. Average winter temperatures hover around -13 degrees Fahrenheit, -25 degrees Celsius, but on the coldest days, mercury can plunge even lower. The city's unique position in a basin traps cold air, causing frequent temperature inversions where pollution mixes with freezing fog, creating a distinctive winter atmosphere. Despite the extreme cold, Ulaanbaatar is home to over 1.5 million people who have adapted their lifestyles to withstand the chill. Traditional yurt homes with wood-burning stoves, thick clothing made from wool and fur, and hearty meals help locals survive the frigid months. Winters here can last up to 6 months, with little sunlight and frequent snowstorms. Yet, the city thrives as Mongolia's political, cultural, and economic center. Ulaanbaatar's harsh winters highlight the resilience and spirit of its people, proving that even in the coldest capitals on Earth, life and culture flourish. Number 9. Dome Fuji, Antarctica. High on the East Antarctic ice sheet sits Dome Fuji, one of the coldest and most remote locations on the planet. This icy dome rises about 12,000 feet, 3,810 meters, above sea level, making it one of the highest points on Antarctica's vast frozen landscape. Temperatures here can plunge well below -100 degrees Fahrenheit, -73 degrees Celsius, with satellite data revealing spots near Dome Fuji reaching close to -133 degrees Fahrenheit, -92 degrees Celsius during the long polar night. The extreme altitude combined with the long, dark winters creates conditions harsher than nearly anywhere else on Earth. Dome Fuji is home to a Japanese research station that plays a crucial role in climate science. Researchers drill deep ice cores here, extracting layers of ice that hold clues to Earth's climate history dating back hundreds of thousands of years. These ice cores help scientists understand past atmospheric conditions and predict future climate change. Living and working in Dome Fuji's freezing isolation is a true test of human endurance, but the scientific discoveries made here are invaluable. This frozen peak remains one of the coldest, quietest, and most mysterious places on our planet. Number 8. Amundsen, Scott's South Pole Station, Antarctica. At the very bottom of the world lies the Amundsen, Scott's South Pole Station, one of the most remote and coldest places on Earth. Situated exactly at the geographic South Pole, this station experiences some of the harshest weather conditions imaginable. Temperatures here regularly drop below -80 degrees Fahrenheit, -62 degrees Celsius during the long, dark Antarctic winter, with record lows reaching near -117 degrees Fahrenheit, -82.8 degrees Celsius. For about 6 months, the sun doesn't rise at all, plunging the area into constant darkness and deep cold. Despite these brutal conditions, the station is home to a rotating team of scientists and support staff who study everything from astrophysics to climate change. Living here requires careful preparation, from heated living quarters to specialized clothing designed to withstand the extreme chill. The station's isolated location means supplies arrive only during the short summer window, making life a test of endurance and teamwork. The Amundsen, Scott Station stands as a beacon of human curiosity and resilience, pushing the boundaries of exploration in one of Earth's last true frontiers. Number 7. Clink Station, Greenland. Deep within Greenland's icy interior lies Clink Station, a remote research outpost that has recently made headlines for recording some of the coldest temperatures in the Northern Hemisphere. In December 2021, temperatures here plummeted to an astonishing -69.4 degrees Fahrenheit, -56.3 degrees Celsius, breaking previous records and reminding us just how extreme Greenland's polar climate can be. Located on the vast Greenland ice sheet, Clink Station sits at high altitude, where the air is thin and the cold is intense. The long Arctic winters bring months of darkness, allowing temperatures to drop without relief. Clear skies and calm winds often lead to what scientists call radiative cooling, where heat escapes from the surface into the atmosphere, causing the mercury to fall even further. Although Clink Station is not permanently inhabited, scientists brave the harsh conditions during research seasons to study climate change, ice dynamics, and atmospheric science. These extreme temperatures and the work done here provide critical insight into how our planet's frozen regions are changing and what that means for global climate patterns. Clink Station stands as a chilling testament to the raw power of nature's coldest places. Number 6. Denali, Alaska, USA. Rising dramatically from the Alaskan wilderness, Denali, formerly known as Mount McKinley, is North America's tallest peak, soaring to 20,310 feet, 6,190 meters, above sea level. Its extreme elevation and northern latitude make it one of the coldest mountains on Earth. In December 2003, an automated weather station at 18,700 feet, 5,700 meters, recorded a temperature of -75.5 degrees Fahrenheit, -59.7 degrees Celsius, with a wind chill of -118.1 degrees Fahrenheit, -83.4 degrees Celsius. Even in July, temperatures here can drop to -22.9 degrees Fahrenheit, -30.5 degrees Celsius, with wind chills as low as -59.2 degrees Fahrenheit, -50.7 degrees Celsius. Historically, in 1913, a thermometer left near Brown's Tower at 15,000 feet, 4,600 meters, recorded temperatures below -100 degrees Fahrenheit, -73 degrees Celsius. This data underscores Denali's reputation as a formidable challenge for mountaineers. Climbing Denali is not just about reaching the summit, it's about enduring some of the harshest conditions on the planet. Its extreme cold, high winds, and unpredictable weather make it a true test of human resilience. Number 5. Snag, Yukon, Canada. Deep in the vast wilderness of Canada's Yukon Territory lies the tiny village of Snag, famous for holding the country's record for the coldest temperature ever recorded. On February 3, 1947, the mercury plummeted to an astonishing -81.4 degrees Fahrenheit, -63 degrees Celsius, colder than many places in Siberia. This bone-chilling cold was caused by clear skies, calm winds, and the area's unique geography, which traps cold air in the valley overnight. Snag is surrounded by mountains and dense forests, creating a natural bowl that holds in the Arctic chill. Winters here are long and unforgiving, with snow covering the ground for months. Despite the severe weather, the area remains home to hardy people and abundant wildlife, including caribou, wolves, and lynx. The community has adapted with well-insulated homes, wood stoves, and a way of life deeply connected to the land and seasons. Snag's record-breaking cold stands as a reminder of Canada's extreme northern climate and the resilience of those who call these frozen lands home. Number 4. North Ice, Greenland. Deep within the icy interior of Greenland lies North Ice, a former British research station that once recorded some of the coldest temperatures outside Antarctica. In 1954, North Ice set a remarkable low of -87 degrees Fahrenheit, -66 degrees Celsius, making it one of the coldest spots ever measured in the Northern Hemisphere. Located on the vast Greenland ice sheet, this area is a frozen desert with almost no vegetation and endless ice as far as the eye can see. The extreme cold here is driven by its high altitude and polar location. Temperatures drop dramatically during the long Arctic night when the sun disappears for months, leaving the landscape bathed in freezing darkness. North Ice's harsh conditions made it a challenging place for scientists studying glaciology, meteorology, and climate change. Though the station was eventually closed, its data remains valuable in understanding Earth's coldest climates. Today, the Greenland ice sheet continues to be a vital key to studying global climate trends, and places like North Ice remind us just how extreme and unforgiving our planet's polar regions can be. Number 3. Verkhoyansk, Russia. Nestled in the remote Siberian wilderness, Verkhoyansk, Russia is another contender for the title of the coldest inhabited place on Earth. Like its neighbor Oymyakon, Verkhoyansk experiences some of the harshest winters on the planet. This small town holds the record for the greatest temperature range on Earth, with scorching summer highs near 90 degrees Fahrenheit 32 degrees Celsius and winter lows plunging to a chilling minus 93.6 degrees Fahrenheit minus 69.8 degrees Celsius. That means residents endure nearly 180 degrees Fahrenheit of temperature swing every year. In 1892, Verkhoyansk recorded its record low temperature, making it one of the coldest spots with permanent residents. Life here revolves around adapting to these extremes. Homes are built with thick insulation, and people rely on traditional clothing made from reindeer fur and other natural materials. Winters are long, dark, and bone-numbing cold, lasting for nearly half the year. The sun barely peeks over the horizon, and the frozen landscape stretches for miles. But when summer arrives, the tundra bursts into life with wildflowers and endless daylight. Verkhoyansk is a striking example of human endurance and the incredible ability to survive in Earth's coldest corners. Number 2. Oymyakon, Russia. Deep in the heart of Siberia lies a village so cold it's earned the nickname the Pole of Cold. Welcome to Oymyakon, Russia, the coldest inhabited place on Earth. In the winter months, temperatures routinely plunge below minus 58 degrees Fahrenheit minus 50 degrees Celsius, but on February 6, 1933, this remote village set a record at a staggering minus 96.2 degrees Fahrenheit minus 71.2 degrees Celsius. Imagine waking up to weather colder than the surface of Mars. Despite the brutal cold, around 500 people live here year-round, adapting to the harsh environment with thick fur clothing, hearty meals, and close-knit community life. Cars won't start in the morning without heaters running all night, and water pipes freeze quickly, so residents rely on heated wells. Oymyakon's isolation means life moves at a slower, quieter pace. The landscape is dominated by frozen tundra and towering mountains blanketed in snow for most of the year. While it's far from comfortable, Oymyakon stands as a remarkable example of human resilience, proof that even in the coldest corners of the world, life finds a way to thrive. Number 1. East Antarctic Plateau, Antarctic. Hidden deep within the frozen heart of Antarctica lies the East Antarctic Plateau, the coldest place on Earth ever recorded. This vast, elevated expanse stretches across thousands of miles of icy desert and is home to some of the most extreme temperatures humanity has ever measured. In 1983, the Vostok Research Station, located on this plateau, made history by recording a bone-chilling temperature of minus 128.6 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 89.2 degrees Celsius. But more recently, satellite data revealed even colder spots nearby, where temperatures dropped below minus 133 degrees Fahrenheit minus 92 degrees Celsius during the long polar night. The conditions here are unimaginably harsh. With no sunlight for months, fierce katabatic winds, and oxygen-starved air due to high elevation, it's an environment that feels more like another planet than Earth. Very few people ever set foot here. Only scientists at remote research stations brave the brutal climate to study Earth's climate history, ice cores, and even the potential for life in outer space. The East Antarctic Plateau remains nature's frozen fortress, silent, untouched, and more extreme than anywhere else on the planet. And there you have it, the 10 coldest places on Earth that make your freezer look like a sauna. From the frozen silence of Antarctica to the snow-covered towns of Siberia, these places push the limits of human survival and scientific exploration. It's fascinating to see how people adapt to such extreme environments, where cars won't start, pipes freeze solid, and stepping outside could be dangerous without proper gear. Yet, life continues in these icy frontiers, and that's what makes them so incredible. So, which place shocked you the most? Would you dare visit any of them, or maybe even live there for a day? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear what you think. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another epic countdown from around the world. Thanks for watching, stay curious, and stay warm.